Hello students, let's solve this question. In this question is given that a particle moving with uniform acceleration along a straight line passes three successive points ABC where distances are in some ratio. So let us draw the diagram of this question. It's given that particle is going in a straight line and there are 3 points, namely ABC. These are successive points, namely ABC. The distance AB and BC is ratio 3:5. So distance AB by BC is 3:5. It's also known to us that the particle is moving with uniform acceleration. So acceleration of particle is uniform in this motion. Let's assume that acceleration to be small a. The time taken from A to B is 40 seconds. The time taken from A to B is 40 seconds. So the motion from A to B is covered in 40 seconds. This motion is covered in 40 seconds. If the velocity at A and C are given as 5 and 15, so velocity at point A is given as 5 meter per second. The velocity at point C is given as 15 meter per second. Find the velocity of particle at point B. We need to find the velocity of particle at point B. Let us assume it to be V. I know the distance AB and BC are in ratio 3:5 and acceleration is constant. So let us use a relation in acceleration, distance traveled and velocities, which is the third equation of motion. So by V square equal to U square plus 2S, if I apply this equation between A and B, I will get V square minus 5 square V square or equal to 25 minus plus 2AS. S is going to be AB. For same equation for B to C, I will get final velocity, which is 15, square of that should equal to V square plus 2AS. S is going to be, displacement is going to be BC. So I can write first equation, this equation, as V square minus 25 as 2A into AB, and second equation as 15 square is 2 to 5 minus V square as 2A into BC. You can divide this equation, as you know AB by BC is 3 by 5. So you will get 3 by 5 in LHS, I am writing it in RHS, equal to AB is V square minus 25 divided by 2 to 5 square, 2 to 5 minus V square. You can solve this equation to get the value of V. Okay. So let me solve this for you further. 3 times 2 to 5 minus 3V square is going to be 5V square minus 5 times 125, it is going to be 125. So 5V square minus 3V square is going to be in LHS. So it is going to be 8V square, and it is going to be 3 into 2 to 5 plus 125. So you can get the value of V square from solving this. V square is going to be 3 into 2 to 5 plus 125 divided by 8. And because this is a value of V square, so V is going to be root of this. You can get the value of V from this expression. Now let us proceed further. The acceleration of particle is also needs to be find out. So for acceleration in between A and B, I have given with the time of motion. So we can use V equal to U plus AT. For A to B, I have final velocity as V, initial velocity as 5. Acceleration is not known to us, but time is known to us. So after putting the value of V obtained from this equation, I can easily get the value of acceleration. In the next part, I need to find the time taken to cover B to C distance. As you can see, I already have the velocity at B and velocity at C and acceleration in between. So I can easily get the time for motion. By again using this equation, V equal to U plus AT. So at C velocity is 15, at B velocity is V should equal to V equal to U plus AT. So T can be determined for motion from B to C. So this T can be determined. For the last part, the total distance from A to C, the total distance from A to C. It is going to be distance from A to B plus B to C. As I know the initial and final velocity and acceleration, so I can use the v square equal to u square plus 2s equation. I already know the acceleration from this equation and displacement can be determined. So the distance AC s can easily be determined if I put the value of acceleration here. This is how we can solve this question, and calculation part is left to you. Thank you.